Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Robinhood and Vanguard, and I will help you to decide which trading platform is better in 2025. So let's begin with Robinhood. It is built for beginners. It offers commission-free trades, a slick app, and access to stocks, ETFs, crypto, and other options. While Vanguard, on the other hand, is ideal for long-term investors. It is known for its low-cost index funds, retirement planning tools, and no-frills investing. So let's compare both of them. Number 1 for their ease of use. Robinhood wins for speed and simplicity, while Vanguard's website is more functional than flashy, and it is designed for serious investors. Number 2, investment types. Vanguard is best for mutual funds and long-term portfolios. On the other hand, Robinhood is great for day-to-day stock and crypto trading. Number 3, their fees and costs. Robinhood offers zero commissions, while Vanguard also offers free trades on its own ETFs and funds, with extremely low expense ratios. Number 4, retirement planning. Vanguard has dedicated IRAs, Roth IRAs, and goal-based tools. Robinhood now supports retirement accounts but with fewer options. Number 5, their support and education. Vanguard excels in educational content, financial advice, and investor tools, while Robinhood is still catching up in these areas. So, for a final verdict, if you want a simple and fast investing, you can choose Robinhood. But if you are building a wealth for the long term, Vanguard is the right choice for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.